In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your YouTube studio on Google Chrome. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Okay, so what we first need to do is obviously open up Google Chrome and then head on over to youtube.com. Now, once we're here, we want to go ahead and click on the sign in button on the top right hand corner of the page. Now, we want to choose an account. So go ahead and choose the account you'd like to sign in with. So I've currently got my account here, or I can go ahead and click on use another account. So if you haven't got your account in, we want to go ahead and put in our email address and then click next. And then on the next page, jot in your password, or if you got two-factor authentication on or something similar, click on try another way and we can enter your passkey. I can go ahead and use my passkey to sign in. So it's going to show me a QR code that I'm going to scan, and then once I scan that, use passkey to sign in. Now on my phone, it's going to say click sign in, and then put in your screen lock or screen pin code on your mobile device. Then it's going to redirect you back to the homepage of YouTube, and it's going to let you know you've signed in by, if you're clicking on your name, you're going to see your name